A book? What kind of book is that? I'm gonna read the book? Come here. Come here. Okay. Zebra? Is that what that is? Is that a zebra? What is that, a cat? They make a meow? That's a moon. The moon? Twinkle, twinkle, little star? What's this page? Giraffe? Yeah, you're really smart. Mommy's gonna be proud of you. Oh, you ripped that giraffe. Elephant? Yeah, elephant. You're really smart. You got a really good memory. What sound do elephants make? I don't know either. They go, ah! Yeah. What's that, a panda? A baby panda? Yeah. You got any more? Go get another book. We're all done. All done. Emmy, give me another book. Emily. Go get another book. Giraffe? Yeah, that's a giraffe. That's a good, yeah, it's a giraffe. He's smart. Cat? Yeah, he's a cat. I don't know if he makes a meow. It's probably more like a roar. Yeah, that's a big cat. They're not nice like little kitties. Puppy. Hi, dog. What are you doing? Hi. Lay down. Hi. Hi, dog. There. Where are you going? Cheese. No, don't hit. Not nice. Mm-hmm. The moon? Amy, blow mommy a kiss. Mwah. Blow mommy a kiss. Mwah. No? All done. Hey, put it back. Amy, go put it back. Go put it back. Another book? Wanna read this one? Alright. 4 seasons. Okay, come on. Let's read the book. Okay. Alright. Open it up. Girl? What's this? What's that? Leaf? Remember I told you yesterday? That's a leaf. What's this?
Baby?
Yep, that's a baby. Yep. What's that? Those are gloves. Gloves. Gloves? They go in your hands. Yeah, keep them warm. What's this? A leaf. Leaf.
Baby?
Yeah, babies. Girl. Girl. Boy. Boy. Stars, yeah, those are star sunglasses. You're really smart. You see those little things I wasn't even looking at. Tree, yeah, tree. Yep. What's this? What's that? A butterfly? What are those? You know what these are, right? Yeah? Deer? Deer? Yeah, it's a deer. Who's this? What's that?
Puppy?
Yeah, puppies. All done.
Baby?
Mm-hmm. Bye-bye.